If you were hoping for some shiny new Samsung tech this month, you might want to pump the brakes a little. One UI 7 isn't the only thing that's been pushed back. Samsung has also delayed the launch of its highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge. Originally set for an April debut, the phone is now expected to break cover in May instead. But don't worry, we've got the latest on when to mark your calendars. According to a recent report from FN News, Samsung plans to reveal more about the Galaxy S25 Edge during a Galaxy Unpacked event on May 13. That's when we'll get the full lowdown on the phone. Everything from the available color options to detailed specifications, and of course, how much this ultra-slim beauty is going to cost. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Pre-orders will reportedly open up the day after the event on May 14 and run until May 20. The first official wave of releases will kick off on May 23 in China and South Korea, with the US release following closely on May 30. Other countries and regions will get their hands on it a bit later, although Samsung hasn't confirmed those exact dates just yet. So what's so special about the Galaxy S25 Edge anyway? According to insiders, this phone is expected to be Samsung's thinnest and lightest smartphone to date, a move clearly meant to tap into the growing demand for devices that are easier to carry and more comfortable to use one-handed. If you've been tired of the bigger is better trend, this might just be the refreshing change you've been waiting for. When it comes to pricing, don't expect it to be cheap. The 256GB model is said to be priced at $1,049, while the more spacious 512GB version will reportedly set you back $1,140. Yeah, it's definitely premium, but with the kind of sleek design and lightweight body Samsung is teasing, it could be worth every penny if you're after that next-gen feel in your palm. Interestingly, this isn't the first time we've seen the Galaxy S25 Edge in the spotlight. Samsung actually gave us a sneak peek of the phone earlier this year during Galaxy Unpacked 2025, alongside the rest of the S25 lineup, the standard Galaxy S25, the larger S25 Plus, and the powerhouse S25 Ultra. Now, with the official launch inching closer, the S25 Edge is shaping up to be a key player in Samsung's 2025 strategy. It's a bold move to focus on thin and light design, especially in a market where beefy specs and massive camera bumps usually steal the show. All that said, it's clear Samsung's playing a strategic game here, delaying the launch just enough to build hype while aligning it with a solid global release plan. Whether it'll be enough to outshine its rivals remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, the Galaxy S25 Edge is coming, and it's bringing the sleek with it. So, are you guys excited for the S25 Edge? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.